Fix it now, pay later. Have you ever had a moment where your vehicle needs a costly repair and you just think, how am I going to fix this? In today's economy, a costly repair is not something that we want to deal with. I'm sitting here in the service department of North Houston Mitsubishi, where they service all makes and models.
Yeah, Shireen, so we are seeing a lot of drivers come in for service, and the upfront costs for the repairs are extremely pricey. So the customers are tending to delay their repairs due to the financial situation they are in.
Exactly, and we hear that so much. Thank you for pointing that out. Here we have a solution for you. With 0% interest for 90 days and payments starting as low as $15.99, you can fix it now and pay later. Nate, what do you think about that?
That's a good idea for everybody, and with my 29 years experience and the other master techs that are here, we make sure that we fix your car right the first time and guarantee the fix on all makes and all models.
So there you have it. We got to hear from the master technicians from the service department of North Houston Mitsubishi, where we service all makes and all models. You can give us a call at the number on the screen or click the link below to schedule your appointment today.